Hello again, everybody. Welcome to my second episode of my mini-series, Turtleneck Chef, where I try to make delicious meals out of opportunistic deals and scrap foods. For today's concoction, you'll need 1 tortilla, a banana, some vegetable oil, your choice of peanut butter, and jelly. Apply as much peanut butter as you'd like, and honestly, use about half of the jelly that you see. The banana will start to show small brown spots, also known as sugar spots. That's how you know the banana will be sweet. Another tip for how to eat a banana: pinch the end opposite where the stem is, and then peel it back. When there's green on the banana, there will be hints of bitterness. Whereas if you wait for the banana to be yellow, you will have a very sweet banana. This banana, for example, isn't quite ripe, but I'm gonna use it anyways. Slice half the banana into the tortilla. The banana is very low in fat, but it still has 2 grams of fiber, 1 gram of protein, and 14 grams of naturally occurring sugars, which is what you want in a diet as opposed to added sugar, processed sugar, corn syrup, for example, or even artificial sweeteners. It also contains 12% of your daily value of potassium, which is one of the more important minerals that you need every day. Make sure you pinch and press the ends so that they can stay folded. Apply very light vegetable oil, use less than what I show. Using the vegetable oil is less of a necessity and more of an experiment. Set the stove to about a 5 and then cook both sides 2 to 3 minutes. You know it's ready when it starts turning light to medium brown. Make sure you give your love machine a good love tap. BAM! There we go. Don't be like me and cave into aesthetic. I only added chocolate syrup to add some pizzazz to the dish. It still tasted good, but it doesn't provide any kind of health benefit, and honestly, I've had it without the chocolate syrup and it tastes even better without it. Voila, le love machine by Turtleneck Chef. Also, don't cut the damn thing. It just makes it more messy. I'm telling you, man, that first bite was life-changing, man. I had no idea I can make something so delicious so easily. Peanut butter is warm and gooey. The banana adds the perfect density. The jelly adds a sharp sweetness to the meal. Again, don't add too much jelly because it will melt into like a liquid, and you're gonna end up making a mess if you put too much. So only put a little bit of jelly. You don't really need too much because the banana has all the natural sugars that you need already in this meal.
Wow.
This is actually packed with protein. The tortilla is amazing compared to regular bread because you only get 1 gram of sugar to 4 grams of protein, which compared to sliced bread, it would be 2 grams of sugar to 1 gram of protein. So this is really beneficial, and it's still amazing. It's still filling. And the peanut butter itself is packed with protein with a low sugar content. Depending on what brand you buy, and if you get organic or non-organic, you're most likely looking at 8 grams of protein to 3 grams of sugar per serving. And that's what you want to avoid in a healthy diet, is added sugar. Naturally occurring sugars are good for your body, and it's a good source of energy as long as you burn the calories and you burn it away. Thank you for watching my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you ever try out any of my recipes, please leave a comment and tell me how it went for you. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.